Hello, this is Michael Brent with Drive Traffic Media, the social media man. Today we're going to go over, how you can really optimize a group by having everyone's information on a website. So I just want to show you that website. This is our OC Pros website. I'm going to share the screen right now and show you exactly how you can really optimize a group properly by getting all the information in one place. So this is our OC Pros membership website. This is actually one of the actual pages, and this is really nice website. We designed it. Directory websites used to be really hideous, even though but this is our new site. It shows all the directories. You can search through this section, which is really nice. All the headshots are nice. We finally got all the headshots done really good. Only a couple ones that need to be redone. But we want to make sure that we have a square image. So you're going to submit a square image. And I'll show you how to do that. But I'll take you through the steps right now. What we need to get this website up to date. So this is the steps. So fill out the form on the website, OC Pros, new member, and that's right here. I'll share that link, and this is a great way to easily fill it out. This is a really cool site too. It's called Jotforms. If you guys ever need a form site, I believe you get up to 100 forms a month without having to pay. So it's pretty cool. So go through here. This is all the information that we need. First name, last name, email. This is going to be public too. So this email is the one that's going to be client facing or business to business facing, which is client B2C, B2C or B2B. This is your business main phone number, area code and number. If you have a toll-free number, if you want to have your cell phone, this will be public also. A fax number, and the company name right here, your business website, the URL, make sure it's right, check it, paste and copy it. And then your address, if you want to show this, because it'll actually show the map. Here's actually a listing. I'll show you real quick. The listing will actually, if you have an address, it'll show a certain area. So it's pretty cool. So it shows a map. If you don't have an area, we can just show a part of Orange County. So just put Orange County if you don't have a brick and mortar address that you want to show publicly. Just put in Orange County. So that's the section right here. And then if you have any, what's your website category? So we make sure that we're not doing duplicate categories, and we also label you properly. Is there any licenses that you have? A contractor's license, a real estate license, insurance license? Everybody specifically needs that information. So when you are sharing that information, it's right there. So very, very important. And then let's go one more area. Stop sharing for a second. And then share again right here. So anyways, back to this section, and it's going to make you, if you don't fill it out, you won't be able to submit the form. So there's certain areas that are mandatory and certain areas that are not mandatory. So website, very important. Licenses, not mandatory, okay? But website, yes. If you don't have a website yet, just put in something fake. Like no website, okay? Just say no website, no website, but it does need to be filled out. So make sure you do fill out that section. And then please send us headshot, and you want that headshot square. So when you do, yes, I emailed, or no, I did not email, maybe you don't have a headshot yet, you do have to answer that question or we can't submit this. Do you have a picture to put on the website, i.e. storefront, products, team, stuff like that. And then you also want to email it to James and Mike at Drive Traffic Media. And then you can say, no, I don't have any pictures I don't want, or yes, I have 2 or less pictures to put on the site. So 2 would be, let's say you just have a storefront or a logo, maybe a picture of you speaking or something. but you want a picture of that headshot, square, and also that. So I want to show you also, and then content for this. I recommend 4 sentences and make sure it's original writing. And then you also want to make sure when you start this, or we end up doing it for you, we always want to put in OC's representative, Jan Miller, for 21-13 graphics. So that is specifically right here also. So we need a square image, like I said, and then we always want to have your name with OC Pro's representative name or category. And it looks like that, just like I showed you with Jan Miller. And then make sure it's original writing, because we want to make sure it's original content and it helps our SEO. Very important. We don't want duplicate content. Google thinks you're trying to rip off someone, even though it's your own content. You're putting it in multiple places. So make sure it's original content. It does help our SEO. We rank pretty good. Like you put in OC Pros, we're pretty much #1 everywhere you go and you look. And then there's certain things like our dentist got clients from this website and so on. So after you do that, you're going to put in the CAPTCHA right here, which is GRIP. And if it's too hard to read, sometimes these give me a headache. You can redo it. That one's weight, that one's paint. You know, they get easier or harder, but you can just reset this here. And then after you're done is press submit. So this is Jotforms, really cool page here. You can actually sign up for Jotforms to give you 100 forms for free. The free account, the only problem with this is when you do submit it, it doesn't give us notification. So when you submit it, you need to make sure you email us also that you submitted a new request, because we don't get too many requests in here, too many new members, because it's an exclusive networking group. So very powerful in that sense. So I'm going to show you also how you can do your images to make it square, because here, if you can see on the site, this is square. And then if you look on the main site, you can see these are square. And what you don't want to do is cut off part of your head. Like that's a perfect square. That's a perfect square. Not cutting off your head. And this one, obviously, a little too close, and she's cutting off the top of her head. And that's what she submitted. So that is a problem. You know, not the end of the world. And a lot of these are a little too tight too. You know, some of these I cropped because I didn't get them submitted properly. And some are professional shots, and they actually look really nice. So really cool. And then I'm going to show you how to actually find this. So you're going to go to canva.com, free site, sign up for account. It's free. You don't really need the premium account for this. You get so much for free with this account. I do training on this also. I love it. Love it. And you just click on the square and see it's a perfect square, 1080 by 1080, I believe, is what the measurements are. And it also doesn't, it's not going to be the side of a building. Sometimes you put an image on a site, it'll crash the whole site. So when you do it on Canva, it actually sizes it properly and also easily uploaded. So let's see if I have a headshot in here. Yeah, that works. Actually, I don't know why we have this in here. One of our clients uses this. Oh, that's photos. That's photos, stock photos. Okay, let's see if I have any good uploads. I might not have any good uploads here. That's a good one right here. Let's just use this one. So here, you got a picture here, and then there's 2 ways you can do this. You can drag. This is cool, actually. If you want to get rid of this, you're like, oh, that didn't size properly. Let's get rid of it. I just drag it off the screen. So cool. If you click it, it'll just pop in there, and then you're going to have to direct it properly like this. And then what I'm going to do is make, a little area here. So right, you see that we don't have that color here. So what I'm going to do here is I'm going to put the image in here. I want to do the color. I want to add color right here. So let's go to this section, and we're going to take this. And this is pretty cool, guys. If you want to it didn't fit right here and you don't want to make a line, we're going to match the color actually. So we need the little pencil. So we're going to go to the dropper. Where's the dropper? Did they move it on me? Maybe I'm not going to find it today. They moved it on me. Let's see. Into edit. Where did my dropper go? No, it's not it. They're back here. Enter a color. Oh, here we go. Dropper. There it is. See? They move stuff on me. So there we go. Boom. See? I did a dropper and it filled it for me. It knew I wanted to do it anyways. So awesome. Look at that beautiful image. It's actually a little off. Let's move it a little. Center it. See how that does that? Look at that. You just rock it and it's like, oh, look, let's center this person properly. So that does it for you perfectly. And then you're going to download this. Go ahead and share. Really cool. And click download. See, 1080 by 1080, perfect square. And then boom, you're going to download it. And then you're going to put, headshot and the name, your name. Let's just say Jane Doe. So, and then put that to your desktop. And then you're going to just attach it to the email. And then we can just do Jane headshot. Boom. And that's attached. There you go. And you're going to email it to me, Mike, and James is our web designer. He's only been with us 9 years. Awesome, James Green. And then you can send that off with that attached. And then you're gonna make sure you have a square photo. You can add another photo, but make sure it's not too large. If it's too large, we will resize it for you, but it's great if you guys can send it to me. So this is the Jotform too. It's really cool. You can actually add an element here. Really cool. It has nothing to do with the client side of this, people submitting it, but I just wanted to show you, you can add more stuff. Super cool. Long text, boom. There's a long text area, right? Super cool. And delete field, boom. You can move stuff. Real cool. So this is a great form builder. You can embed it on a website like we did here. We embedded it on this website. And that's great because people can just go to this link and submit it. Or you can have a link too by just copying the site. There's the CAPTCHA, and then the page breaks and super cool stuff, right? Where's the publish? You're gonna go publish, and then now you can just share this link. This is a public form, public link, copy the link. You can email the people through here, I guess. I've never done it, but here it is. You can embed it in the websites. That's where they have the source code. We use the WordPress. Just literally just put the code into the WordPress site. Super cool. I love this site. I love this stuff. If it's free, it's for me. Anyways, it's fun. I love Canva too. They have great formats, great stuff, real easy. Look how easy that was to do that. And then that image is going to look great on the website. I'll show you right here. See all the squares, and then the head's not going to be cut off like this one, and they're going to look great. Awesome. So yeah, thank you so much. Yeah, so you can see that's why when you want to see the name of the people, because this we can do the category and we can do the name of the business, and then when you hover over this site, it actually says OC Representative Daniel Abrams for Health and Life. So, and then there's an address. So this is really cool. And that's why we have it like this one actually should change. We need to fix that one. Same thing with this one, but the ones we've been doing it, there's Carlos, our amazing gardener, and it's really cool. You can actually see what they do here, and because I didn't have enough form fields on this, great site. You can review people on here, and you can check them out. Easy to find them within search. You can search right here for someone. Let's say website. Let's see if I come up. So basically just search a keyword, or you can search by category. See, website, there we go. So these 4 categories listed website on here. So that's cool. So obviously here I am, and you can go by categories. You can look at all the categories here: chiropractor, franchise, handyman, health coach. So some of these categories are actually open in here. We could probably take them off, but we hope to just get them filled. Like mobile dog grooming, we don't have with someone right now. It won't go anywhere. Get rid of website. See, no dog groomer. So open category. Men's clothing, live entertainment. That's going to be, we only have one person that does live entertainment, which is Cliff. Easy to find, right, guys? So I could always put just entertainment or live music in this as a keyword, and you could literally just find people that way too. So put that keyword in there. There you go, live music. See, even shows a little bubble what location he put in. You can go by locations, but we only have 2 locations, Los Angeles and Orange County. So, and then there's a by radius, which it just doesn't matter. So just worry about these 2 category areas to find people, and live music, and put your keyword in. Easy to find them. So awesome. So this really does help grow a group. These listings actually do work really well. People do get found, like a dentist got found. I'm sure a lot of other people got clients through this site, and it's also a great backlink to your website because this site's been around a long time, and this is super awesome. So I will, if you guys need help with anything, I'm always here to help market your companies and help you grow your business. This is Michael Brandt, the social media man with Drive Traffic Media. Talk to you soon. Thank you.